Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello, my name is Dwi Karnoto and I'm from management with student ID 2001 02 61 and 49. And today I will presentate about matrices. First, what is matrices? In mathematics, a matrix, plural matrices, is a rectangular array of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. A matrix with A rows and B columns is called an A by B matrix, while A and B are called its dimension. The dimension of the following matrix are 2 by 3 because there are two columns and there's two rows and three columns. As you can see in this picture, A equal 1, 9, and negative 13 is the row, and 1, 29, 5, negative 13, and negative 6 is the columns. The horizontal is the rows and the vertical is the columns. And let's talk about basic matrix operation. First, we got transposition matrix. To transpose a matrix, we swap the rows for the columns to indicate that we trans swap the rows and the columns, or we are transposing the matrix. We add T to the top right hand corner of the matrix. And for the example, as you can see in this table, A is the regular matrices and this is the transpose matrix. As you can see, the rows 1 and 2 and the columns is 1 and 3, 2 and 4. And if you transpose it, the 1 and 3 become the rows and the 1 and 2 becomes the column. The vertical become horizontal and the horizontal become vertical, as you can see here. And second, we got addition and subtraction. Addition. We can add matrices together as long as their dimensions are the same. But matrices have the same number of rows and columns. To add two matrices, we add the number of each matrix they are in the same element position. And as you can see, the formula is A11 plus B11, A12 plus B12, A21 plus B21, and A22 plus B22. And if you insert the number, as you can see, 0 plus 2, 1 plus 5, 4 plus 3, and 2 plus 6. For the result is A plus B matrices is 2, 6, 7, and 8. And then we got subtraction. We can subtract matrices in a similar way to addition. Both matrices need to have the same dimension, and we subtract the number of the second matrix from the first. They are in the same element position. So it's just like before the addition. It needs to be in the same position. As you can see in the formula, A11 minus B11 and go so on. And then if you insert the number, as you can see, zeros minus 2, 1 minus 5, 4 minus 3, and 2 minus 6. For the result of A minus B matrices is negative 2, negative 4, 1, and negative 4. And then third, we got scalar multiplication. We can multiply a matrix by some value by multiplying each element with that value. The value can be positive or negative or even a fraction. As you can see in this question, we got 2 times in the matrices. This is the values and this is the matrices. And if you want to solve it, is 2 by 1 and 2 by 2, 2 by 3, and 2 by 4. For the result is this is the result, and it's the same with the fraction. And for the negative, you need to multiply its values with the its matrix, its elements. And at last we got matrix multiplication. We can multiply two matrices, for example, a matrix A by another matrix B. If the number of columns in A is equal to the numbers of rows in B. Multiplication of A by B is typically written as A versus B or phrases A, B. As you can see, the rows, it need to be the same with the columns in the other matrices. And if you use the formula to solve some question, it goes like 1 by 2 plus negative 2 by 3 and plus 1 times 1. So the each of these of the rows and the columns need to be multiply and then need to addition, and you need to addition that. It go on with the other, this need to multiply and addition with this, and this need to multiply and addition with this and this and this. it's, it is the horizontal with the vertical. And then if you have finished that, you will get the result. See, as you can see, this is another example, is negative 2 times b plus 1 times wait a second, 1 plus negative 7, and so on, and this is the result. Maybe that's all I can share to you, and thank you for your attention. Please please forgive me if there is something that I just speak it wrong, or is there any problem with my presentation. Thank you very much.